Finn's having a good time. Hey, Finny.
What are you up to today?
Hi, Finn.
I'm gonna give you these like that.
Sure. Okay. Want to get it? Ready? No, no, no. No, Finn. Good boy. What's this? Ready? Hold on, hold on. Drop it. No, 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 no. Let go, let go. Ow, that's my finger. Ow. Hey. Good boy. Here's the ball. Hey, Finn? Oh, sweetie. He's a good boy. Finn.
I like the way he jumps. He trots.
I gotta get one of those kind of balls. He does like it. You like cutie? Oh, you like the rope more. Ready? Kind of runs sideways.
That's a cute one.
Hi, sweetie.
Well, we sure needed that rain, I'll tell you, but not for 3 days.
Yeah, I agree.